welcome to my channel. I'm Ariana from Crafting Happiness, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful candy cane border around your work, like I've done here with my confetti Christmas blanket. So in a previous video, I showed you how to crochet the pattern for it with the interlocking block stitch, and how to cover the color changes with a border of single crochet stitches. And today we will be making a candy cane border around it. So for this project I'm using red and white. It's double knit yarn, 2 strings held together. You can use any yarn you like, and a matching hook. My hook is a 6.5mm hook. And start from any point on a border, it doesn't matter, and join the red with a slip stitch. Make a slip stitch and then chain 4. And this is how you join the first color. Now we are going to do the same with the white and join it in the following stitch. So insert your hook, pull up a loop and slip stitch and chain 4. And now you have 2 loops, one red, one white, and we will be alternating the colors, working with one color at a time. So now we are starting back with the red, push the white in the back, and single crochet in the next stitch. Then chain 4. Now we're going back to the white. We're pushing the red towards the back and single crochet with white in the next stitch and chain 4. So basically you keep repeating, alternating the colors and creating these loops by single crocheting and chaining 4. So you can see how the candy cane border is starting to form. And just continue all around the border. There is no special pattern for the corner, so just continue with the same pattern of a single crochet, chaining 4, switch colors and so on until you reach the back, and then I will show you how to join your border and how to fix the pattern if the same color meets at the end. So in this case, if in the last stitch you are supposed to single crochet with red, that will not look very good. You'll have red next to red, and I'll show you how to fix that issue. I have crocheted all around the border, and it's now time to make the final stitch and close the border. But as you can see, because I had an uneven number of stitches, my last color will be red, and then we will have an issue of color on color, and the border will not look very pleasant, not very nice. There's a simple fix to this issue. Pick up your color and single crochet in the same stitch as the white, and do your loop as usual, chain 4. And now you can finish the border with white like you were supposed to. So pick up your white and single crochet in the very last stitch, chain 4, and go back to red. And as you can see, it's not very visible, the fix, and if you put pointed you'll see it, but otherwise you will not really notice that you've made single crochet in the same stitch. So I'll show you how to close the border. Pick up your red, move the white to the back, and slip stitch in the first stitch you made in a red. So slip stitch, and what I do is cut the yarn and just pull it through, and then I'll weave in the ends. Do the same with the white. Make sure it goes over the red, so you will have to come like this over the red, just like the other loops, and you will be slip stitching in this very first white chain. So insert your hook, but don't insert it all the way through. Insert it like this, pull the red loop to the back, and slip stitch. Okay, let me show you again. So that's the chain you need to slip stitch in. Do like that, pull the loop to the back and slip stitch in it. And then cut your yarn and pull it through. Just pull it through. And this is it. This is how you crochet the candy cane border. It's a very simple but very decorative border, and it's perfect for Christmas items, just like I did here with my confetti Christmas blanket, which you can find free on Crafting Happiness. I'll put a link in the description for you, as well as the tutorial, the written tutorial for this border. And this is it. I hope you found my tutorial easy to follow. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media for more free tutorials like this one. Happy crocheting!